If the person at ground and if there are n stairs, if person can step up by one step or by two step or three step, then how many identical ways a person can reach nth stair? So let's write a program for it to find out identical ways. This is the problem related to Fibonacci series. So let's see it, where input equals to console.readline, get the input from the user and convert the given input to integer value, convert it to integer. Let's write method to find out unique identical ways to reach nth stair. Private static, it will return integer value. Find unique steps, accept the number of stairs as n. If the value of n is 1 or 0, then I return 1. If the number of stairs is 1 or 0, if there is 0, then there is only one way, just stay, just do nothing. And if the number of stairs are 1, then there is only one way, take one step. If the number of stairs are 2, then what are the unique ways? Take one step and again take one step. This is one way. Otherwise, take two steps at once. So there are only two steps. So there are only two unique ways to reach second stair. If the value of a stair is more than 2, in that case, we will use this recursive function. We will call it recursively. So find unique step n minus 1 plus find unique step n minus 2 plus find unique step n minus 3, and finally call this function and pass the number of stairs. If number of stairs are 0, if there are 0 stairs, so how many ways? There is only one way. That means do nothing. And there is only one way. If number of stairs are 1, then take one step and there is only one way. And coming to here, if number of stairs are 2, if there are 2 stairs, then how many ways? Take one step and one step, one way, and there is one more way, take 2 steps. So total how many ways? 2 ways. So if the number of stairs are 3, so let's suppose we have 3 stairs. So how many ways? Find unique steps n minus 1. So for n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. The number of ways are 2 for this one. And n minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1. And when we pass the value of 1 over here, n equals to 1, the return unique ways are 1. And when we pass over here, the value of n minus 1, 3 minus 3 is 0. So when the value of n equals to 0, then 1. So total how many number of ways? 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. So when there are 3 stairs, how many ways? 1, 1 and 1, comma 1, 2 and this one, and other one is 2, comma 1, and fourth one is just take 3 steps at once. So total how many ways? 4. Agreed? So suppose if there are 4 stairs, then how many number of ways? 4 minus 1 is 3. So the value of when 3 stairs, how many ways? 4 plus 4 minus 2. The value is 2. When we pass the value is 2 over here, then how many number of ways? N equals to 2 plus n minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. When we pass n equals to 1, then return 1. So total how many number of ways? 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 ways. Right? So how there are 7 ways? So total how many ways we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total we have 7 ways. Let's make it user friendly. Console dot write line, enter number of stairs and whatever the value we have received. Console dot write line, unique ways, and that's it. And let's run our program. Enter the number of stairs. So I am entering 4 here. Unique ways are 7 here.